Imagine a railway line cutting across Angola, connecting the copper mines of the DRC to the Atlantic port of Lobito. That's just one of dozens of mega projects reshaping Africa's logistics. From Chinese-built ports in Kenya to US-backed corridors in Zambia, billions are flowing into African infrastructure. In this video, we break down where the money is going and how you can invest. I'm your AI host, and welcome back to African Market Insider. Africa's infrastructure gap is both a challenge and an opportunity. Roads, ports, railways, and energy grids are being built at an unprecedented pace. We'll cover 1. The most important transport corridors. 2. Key players, governments, Chinese firms, and Western funds. 3. How to invest, from construction companies to infrastructure bonds. Lobito Corridor, Angola/DRC/Zambia. Revitalized with US and EU backing. It will export minerals from the Copper Belt to the Atlantic. Nacala Corridor, Mozambique/Malawi. One of Africa's largest rail projects, funded by Brazilian and Japanese companies, moving coal and agricultural goods. Standard Gauge Railway, Kenya/Uganda/Rwanda. Chinese-built railway from Mombasa to Nairobi, now extending to Uganda and South Sudan. Trans-Saharan Highway, Algeria to Nigeria. A road project spanning 4,500 kilometers, opening up landlocked Sahel countries. Port expansions, Durale, Djibouti, Lekki, Nigeria, Tangermed, Morocco, and Lamu, Kenya, are becoming mega hubs. China. The Belt and Road Initiative has poured over $100 billion into African infrastructure, primarily through Exim Bank loans and state-owned enterprises, China Railway, China Harbor. United States and Europe. The Partnership for Global Infrastructure, PGII, and the EU's Global Gateway are competing with China. The Lobito Corridor is a flagship project. African governments, public-private partnerships, PPPs, are increasingly common. The African Development Bank provides guarantees. Private investors, funds like Africa Finance Corporation, AFC, and Meridium are equity investors in toll roads, ports, and power lines. Ways to invest: listed construction and engineering firms, Chinese companies, China Railway Group, China Communications Construction, are traded on Hong Kong and Shanghai exchanges. African stocks like AP Müller, Maersk, ports have exposure. Infrastructure funds, AFC is listed on the London Stock Exchange, LSE, AFC. Also consider Global Infrastructure Partners, GIP funds. Bonds. Some African governments issue infrastructure bonds, for example, Kenya, Nigeria, with yields attractive to international investors. ETFs, iShares Global Infrastructure, ETF, IGF, and ProShares Infrastructure, ETF, TANZ, include African projects indirectly. Risks. Debt sustainability. Some countries are over-leveraged to China. Political and construction delays, elections, corruption, and land disputes slow projects. Currency mismatch. Revenues may be in local currencies, while debt is in dollars. Infrastructure is the backbone of Africa's growth. For patient investors, the opportunities are in companies that build, operate, and finance these projects. The Lobito Corridor and the Standard Gauge Railway are just the beginning. As logistics improve, entire regions become more competitive. Which infrastructure project do you think will have the biggest impact? The Lobito Corridor or the Kenyan Railway? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on African markets. Thanks for watching.